going into this gate, and right now I have a privilege to meet this guy here. He is the security guard of this place. Ako siyang pangutanon, tatanungin kita Manong. Kung kaharap mo ngayon si President Noynoy Aquino, ano ang sasabihin mo sa kanya?
I love you.
Salamat na sa buong buhay ko na nakakausap ko siya at nakarap ko siya. Yan lang po.
So you don't have anything to say, it's just thank you for what? What did he do to you? Just talking to you, and then what? What did he give? What did he do for your situation right now? Or ano bang ginagawa niya sa sitwasyon mo ngayon? Napapasalamatan mo siya?
Salamatan ko siya dahil nakita ko na okay yung ginawa niya.
Ano bang ginawa niya?
Dahil medyo nakita niya na ako sa pwesto, tapos okay, wala akong ginagawang masama patungkol sa kanya.
Okay. Okay, thank you kayo. Kuya, what's your name again?
Si Catalino Cabunok.
Catalino Cabunok. Okay.
Si Catalino Cabunok.
So, these are important times and we need to know what people think, what they think about the situation. So, that's why we're making this interview.